In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the volume in Audacity. If you're working on an Audacity project and notice that the audio seems a bit too low, don't worry. Boosting the volume is a straightforward process that I'll guide you through step by step. First, open your Audacity project. You might want to adjust the volume for just a certain part of your track, or perhaps your entire audio needs a boost. To increase the volume for a specific section, simply click and drag your cursor over the part of the track you'd like to modify. If you wish to adjust the entire track, you can easily select all of it. You can do this by either double-clicking anywhere on the track or pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard. This will highlight the entire audio track, making it ready for adjustments. Once you've made your selection, take a look at the top menu bar and find the Effects tab. Click on Effects, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. Here you're going to scroll down until you see Volume and Compression. Hover over this option and you'll notice another menu popping up. From this menu, click on Amplify. This is where the magic happens. The Amplify function in Audacity allows you to adjust the volume of your project with precision. Before proceeding, you'll see a dialog box opening up. This is the part where you decide how much you want to increase the volume. It's all about personal preference and the specific needs of your project. If you feel like the audio needs a significant boost, you can increase the numbers in the dialog box accordingly. You'll notice that Audacity provides an option to preview the changes as you make them. Take advantage of this feature. Play around with the amplification settings until you find the perfect balance for your audio. Increasing the volume is really as simple as sliding the cursor to the desired amplification level. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click OK, and Audacity will apply the amplification to your selected audio. There you have it. Your audio now should have that crisp, louder sound you were aiming for. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully increased the volume of your audio in Audacity. If you found this video helpful, consider hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial.